Can we see the rainbow? Ah no, rainbow's gone. Kai, show us. No more bloop. One po? Good one. Alright. Bye bye. Bacio, papa? Bloop. That's a knife. Let's see, fishy knife. For bloop again? Soft bait?
Okay, this way. Alright.
Alright. Go.
Do it. Go.
Yeah! It's alright. That was good enough. Man, this is pretty rough. We're gonna make it, Mama. No worries. We're not that far. War zone. Pretty rough. We know that fishing is pretty relaxing, and then then you got like the max of the relaxation is falling asleep, right? So we got a little fella falling asleep while we're trolling. So come on, Kai. And he doesn't even want to let the rod go. Mama, take the rod. Oh no, don't go. Okay. Sorry. Nine. Let's keep trolling. C'è mamma che ti ha purato a portare il fisci?
Mamma?
Ma che fai? Oh, dov'è il fisci? Mama done it again. After 2 years of not coming for a fishy, she gets us a fishy as big as you. What? What? What?